In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recall a message in Gmail that is already sent. Say you sent the wrong email, you may still be able to get it back, and in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how. Before we do get in this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But I'm going to go ahead and send this right here. And as soon as you send it, you're going to see that there is an undo message down at the very bottom. If you do still have this message, go ahead and hit undo. Just keep in mind, it does go by pretty quickly. If you do click undo right away, the email is going to be pulled immediately back in your drafts like it was never sent. However, once that undo button does disappear, the email has already been delivered and cannot be taken back. That being said, you can increase this time pretty significantly so it doesn't happen again. In Gmail, go ahead and select the gear icon up in the very top right. And from here, go ahead and select See All Settings, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You're going to see this undo send option right here. Go ahead and, just increase this time to 30 seconds. And as soon as you do that, you'll be good to go. Now, every single time you do send an email, you'll have a full 30 seconds to undo it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. Just make sure you scroll down to the bottom and hit save changes, since I almost just forgot to do that. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.